What's up guys, welcome back to yet another custom ROM video, and this time we'll be covering Paranoid Android for OnePlus 8, 8 Pro and 8T. Few weeks back we got Paranoid Android based on Android 12 for these devices, which was the initial build, and now Paranoid team have come up with a second build for OnePlus 8 series. If you guys aren't aware about Paranoid Android, so it's one of my favorite custom ROM, though it doesn't come with much of customization options, but stability, performance part and battery backup is too good on this ROM. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly take a look at this new build of Paranoid Android based on Android 12 for OnePlus 8 series. So here I have my OnePlus 8, which is currently running on the latest build of Paranoid Android, which you can take a look. It says Alpha 2. And the Android version is 12. We still have the security patch of 5th December 2021. And before moving ahead, let's keep a like target of 400 likes on this video. Also guys, we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, so it's a humble request. Do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And guys, if you wish to install this custom ROM on your OnePlus 8 series, we have already done an installation guide, so that video can be found in the description below. Just follow that installation guide. Only few things you need to remember: make sure your device is running the latest build of Oxygen OS 11. Avoid flashing it over Color OS 12 if you guys have installed Color OS 12 on your OnePlus 8 series. It's recommended to use Oxygen OS 11 stable build. Okay, so now let's talk about the benchmark results. So this ROM comes with a dedicated performance mode which can be found in the battery section. So here we have the performance mode which is turned on right now. And I have done benchmark testing using both performance mode on and performance mode turned off. So let's take a look at the results. Though I did not find much of difference, as you can see here. This test was done in normal mode, wherein single core scored 882 and multi-core scored 3112. With performance mode, I just noticed slight improvement in the single core scores, but multi-core scores went little bit down. And the same thing goes with the Antutu benchmark application. So this test was done without performance mode turned on. And here device scored 6,80,557. With high performance mode, these are the scores, wherein device scored 6,82,224. So slightly better benchmark results to be seen, but it's not a huge difference like what we see on Oxygen OS 12 for OnePlus 9 series. We also did thermal throttling test, and here you can see without high performance mode turned on, CPU did not throttle. But soon after we turned on high performance mode, CPU max throttled up to 92%. All the basic functionalities works, like as you can see, I'm using my Jio SIM card and I have no issues with the calling services. VoLTE services, Wi-Fi calling works pretty much fine. Fast charging do work, no issues to be found here. Device takes the similar time, same as Oxygen OS 11. And by default we get to see this AOSP camera pre-installed, though I never use this camera, but you can install Google Camera APK 8.2. So here I have the APK, so almost everything is working good here. I'll also leave the XML file in the description below. To use the XML file, just create a folder inside the internal storage. Folder name should be gcam, and inside this you also need to create a subfolder called config8. Place the XML file here. As you can see here, I've placed the file, and once you have installed the Google Camera application, open the camera, double tap here and select the config file. You guys can also try out different config files depending on your photos taste. All the sensors are fully functional, like accelerometer, light, proximity, magnetometer, compass and gyroscope. When it comes to custom ROM, most users have this question whether payment applications do work or not. So guys, here you can see Play Store is certified. Device also passes the safety net check, so you won't have any kind of issues using the payment applications on this custom ROM. And after that, another question which is being asked is related to the Widevine L1 support. So here we have the DRM info application. As you can take a look, security level says L1. And if you check in the Netflix application playback specifications, it says Widevine L1 support, and maximum playback resolution is Full HD. So that is also not an issue on Paranoid Android. Also, fingerprint unlock is pretty fast. As you can see here, there are no delays to be seen while unlocking the device using fingerprint unlock. But we don't have the support of face unlock on Paranoid Android, and this feature is missing on almost all the custom ROMs. We have the support of pocket mode on Paranoid Android. As said, we don't get much of customization options, but almost everything is working fine. We have Paranoid Android launcher pre-installed that also comes with the support of Monet and also includes themed icon. No issues to be seen with both the Wi-Fi bands or Bluetooth. And the battery, till now battery seems to be doing good, but if you guys say, I'll do a complete review in which I'll cover the gaming part, battery and performance of the device. And I guess one thing is missing, and that's related to the haptic feedback. So here we don't have the option to turn off the haptic feedback, where you can see under vibration and settings we only have the option of vibrate for call. So you cannot turn off the haptic feedback while using the device. I also tried out adaptive sound feature, but I did not feel that it was working. I'm not sure this feature might be working, but I did not feel major difference. I did notice bit of issues with the auto brightness, but that doesn't happen always. But sometimes yes, auto brightness doesn't work that well. But this is not a major issue. Then at last under system you have these options like quickly open camera, one-handed mode, and that works great. Gestures like pick up device to wake, that also works with no issues, along with double tap to wake the device. And guys, currently Android 12 ROMs are not that stable, but yes, you can use it as daily driver. I've used many custom ROMs based on Android 12 and there are no major issues which restricts you to use the device as daily driver. Though there are some features missing, and this is one thing which I was unable to remove, which says Sim1 is HD capable. I checked out multiple settings but couldn't find any setting to close this. This appears on the lock screen too. And on Paranoid Android, we don't get the gaming mode of Android 12. So as you can see here, we don't have any option to turn on gaming mode. So if you are gaming, you just need to enable or use do not disturb mode to avoid disturbance while gaming. And if you guys wish to install, you can find the installation guide of Paranoid Android on your OnePlus 8, 8 Pro or 8T in the description below. With this latest build of Paranoid Android, there are not much of changes. They have added the ability of 5G. Overall quite a stable build, and you can use this ROM as a daily driver on your OnePlus 8 series. So guys, this was a quick look on the latest build of Paranoid Android. If you still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.